Today's challenge looks innocent, but it's not. We are doing two different calculations in one column. Duplicates return a count, and unique items return a date. No helper columns, no post-processing. And the result updates automatically when the source data changes. Normally, counting duplicates is one problem. Looking updates is another problem. Most people solve them separately, then glue results together. We won't do that. We'll solve both inside group by once. Our table contains two columns, item and date. Some items repeat, some don't. The output rule is strict. One row per item, one result column. And different logic depending on frequency. When you group by item, Power Query temporarily creates a mini table per item. That mini table contains all rows, all columns, and only for that item. That is the feature we will use. We group by item, one output column. We'll call it count, even though it won't always be a count. Now pause here. Inside group by, Power Query gives us a placeholder called underscore. Let's check the formula bar. We don't need to define types here. The underscore symbol represents the table for the current item. This is critical. Every time the logic runs, underscore is a different mini table. If an item appears once, underscore has one row. It contains our date. If an item appears 5 times, it has 5 rows. So before we calculate anything, we ask a simple question. How many rows are inside this group? That's where table row count comes in. So if the table row count equals 1, we can take the date from the single row. Otherwise, return the number of rows. Here is the exact expression. When there is only one row, we safely grab it using table first. Why is this safe? Because we already checked that the row count equals 1. If there is more than one row, we don't care about individual dates. We care about frequency. So we return the count again. Same function, different meaning. Final polish, sort by item. Nobody enjoys random order. Here's the real takeaway. Group by is not just about sums and counts. It's a decision tool. Once you understand that, group by stops being an aggregation button and starts being one of the most versatile tools in Power Query. And don't forget, the more likes the video gets, the more challenges I'll cover in future tutorials. See ya!